One of the suspected kidnappers of a 4-year-old boy today broke down in tears, causing proceedings at the Thika Law Court to be stopped momentarily. Patrick Njoroge is among 5 suspects who were in court for the suspected kidnapping of 4-year-old Kelson Kimani from his home in Thika. Now, appearing before Principal Magistrate Otieno Omondi, the 5 were jointly charged for kidnapping a minor on January the 6th this year. Well, Patrick Njoroge cried uncontrollably, telling the court that the investigating officer forced him to record a statement. Njoroge also presented a shirt to the court tainted with blood, saying it was evidence of torture at the hands of police. Well, the officer was requested to leave the court chambers for the suspect to express himself. The 5 were remanded at the Thika police station, awaiting bond determination on the 24th of February. Now, Kelson, the 4-year-old boy, was rescued eventually by police 5 days after he was kidnapped.